Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you guys enjoyed the video this far. I just wanted to like hop in for the last part, and I'm just gonna do my makeup and like talk to you guys a little bit. So just walk you through it. I'm not doing anything special. I'm probably gonna film a bit of TikTok after, like I always do. I feel like every time I film and get ready with me, I'm always talking about how I'm gonna film some TikToks, but it's just convenient for me right now. Yeah, that's what I'm doing today. Yeah, all week I was basically kind of glowing up a little bit. I took off my braids. You guys know from the last video I was just fed up, and actually it's been like 2 weeks since that video, by the way, since I filmed it. So this week I decided that it was time to take off the braids because my hair was dirty anyways, and I kind of saw my hair right now, and I repainted my nails red again because I really like it. And since I don't have my good top coat, like my nails don't last as long usually. Like I feel with my top coat that I usually use, it will last like 2 weeks, but with this one it kind of lasts only like a week or something. That's with touch-up, so yeah, that's what we're doing. I'm not gonna talk as much as I did in my last Get Ready With Me because that was a lot. Even editing that video was like, I don't really talk too much. Anyways, I'm gonna do my everyday makeup and I'm just gonna walk you guys through it. Yeah, so I already moisturized. I'm struggling again with my skin. Like it's really hot outside and everything, and yesterday I was outside, so the sun kind of made my skin like really sensitive. You guys see it's really red right now, but it's fine with the moisturizer that I have. It's fine. First I'm gonna use my Fit Me Matte and Poreless primer. That's what I'm starting with. So how you guys been since last time, and also like how you guys falling into fall? So I'm just gonna put I'm gonna put this here. Yeah, I did my nails yesterday, so if you guys see that like there's still some spots where it's bleeding, just mind your business. Yeah, so next I'm going to use a bit of powder before I do foundation, just because it's really hot today, and also when I use a Toleriane, like my skin gets really oily before, so I'm just gonna use a bit of powder before I do my foundation. So I'm using the Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder. I'm in the shade 330 about. 355 is definitely too dark for me, so I use 330. And I'm just gonna dust my T-zone with some powder. I will definitely still be oily, but at least my makeup won't crack as much. It'll also be like a bit longer before I get oily, so that's why I do it. Okay. So foundation, I'm using my Fenty Beauty. Of course, I love using this because it gives me like the most natural makeup, and I like the fact that I can put as little and as much as I like, and like kind of like play a little bit with the coverage, if that makes sense. Like I love my Fit Me from Maybelline, the foundation, like the matte and poreless one, but it's like if you put it, it's definitely going to be full coverage. Well, for me, I find this is I find this is full coverage for me. So I already did my brows. I use my Brow Wiz by Anastasia. To clean them up, I use my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Cafe, and I use the NYX Brow Glue to stick them in place. So my brows are done. So for concealer, I'm gonna use my Can't Stop Won't Stop in the shade Golden Honey. So I'm gonna put a little bit here, here, and around my nose. That's it. So I'm still not putting anything on my eyelids because they're too sensitive. Next I'm going to use a bit of bronzer. Sorry, I'm using my Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Coconutty. Next, I'm gonna use my Can't Stop Won't Stop powder in the shade Banana. Alright. So I went ahead in my eyes. All I did was put a bit of mascara. I did use the Maybelline Sky High mascara. You guys know it's my favorite right now. And now I'm just gonna dust off the bake with some Sephora Macro Smooth powder in the shade Mahogany. Yeah, Mahogany. And just like, I just used like a big powder brush and just dust it off like this. I'll put a little bit over my bronzer also, just so it's not as strong, and also it kind of diffuse and like everything just blends together. That's how I like to do it. Next, I'm gonna use a little bit of blush. I guess I'm gonna use these two again this time for my cheeks. You guys know I just put blush everywhere, so I'm trying to like put like do the W thing right now, which I really like, and I always kind of done, except now I make it more pronounced, I guess. But always on my nose and cheeks and a little bit on my forehead a little bit. Just so. What's left? bit of highlight. If you want highlight, you just use some Master Chrome. And I'm gonna put a little bit on my nose. And on my cheeks, I guess. This I feel you guys don't see on camera, but when I'm outside and when I hit the sun, it's like it's so beautiful. You guys probably see it like more on my pictures, the picture that I post. So. Now I'm gonna finish my mascara, some of my lower lashes. And yeah, now I'm just gonna do my lips, I guess. Yes. I'm gonna do like just my regular lip combo that I always do for my nude lip. I feel like I haven't done nude lip in like so long, but like a real nude lip, like not just like pink. My shirt is so disgusting. I'm so disgusting. So first I'm gonna use my lip pencil by Colourpop in the shade Control. Next, I'm using my lip pencil by Colourpop in the shade BFF. I'm just gonna fill it in with that shade to make it more nude, I guess. And I'm gonna finish with my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in shade Abu Dhabi on top. Just a little bit. Can you guys see? And that's that. Let me do my hair before I leave. You can see my hair. My hair grew since I last cut it. Honestly, like I try to like leave my hair length to my shoulders now. I don't like my goal with my hair is not to like have long hair. I know this is like something that people think, but I just want my hair to like feel kind of healthy, and I want my hair also to be like all one length, like that. It looks fuller. So this is my hair right now. Whenever I cut it here, now it's like up to here. Let me brush my hair. Let me brush my hair. Actually, I'm just gonna do my hair and I'll be back. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this one. Yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed my little glow up, my little like kind of vlog glow up. I know it's not long, but I still wanted to like come at the end of the video and just show you guys how I did my makeup this time. And yeah, don't forget to comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you like my video. Don't forget to like if you like my video. And I'll see you in the next one, guys. I really love you. See you next time. Bye.